Hi and welcome to today's video where I'm reviewing the Benro GH2N gimbal, which I've just acquired for wildlife videography and mainly for photography. I'm on site today at my local nature reserve, which is run by my local ornithological society. Absolutely fantastic facility. If there's something in your neighborhood, I really hope there is. If there is, go support them. They are fantastic facilities to have on location. Let's get this set up and then we'll get some video and photographs. And please remember, if you like and find this video useful, hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way to supporting the channel. And I'll also be going to the Iberian lynx hide in the very near future. So keep an eye out for that video when it drops, because I'll be using this Benro gimbal extensively during my period observing the Iberian lynx. First things first, it has a standard tripod mount, so it just simply screws on. I'm putting it onto my Benro tortoise, which, as you guys may or may not know, I absolutely love. Check out the video after this. I'll put the link in the description down below. It has brilliant lock-in wheels. That's for horizontal rotation, vertical rotation, really easy to access, very simple. It also comes with a base plate to connect to the gimbal, Swiss Arca. Simply drop it on and put it into position. I've actually got the one that I use from Benro for my ball head and geared head as well. And that is interchangeable across all of my heads because it's Swiss Arca. Also with the lock, what you notice, you can move this backwards and forwards so that you can balance your camera. It actually balances, so it will just settle into its middle position. So that's critical. Just if you get one of these, just slide the camera backwards and forwards on the actual gimbal mount, just so that you can get it balanced. Initial impressions, fantastic quality, super smooth. Let's see if it's actually as smooth in action whilst actually capturing some video and photos. I'm on location now with the Benro gimbal. So I'm going to test out its fluidity and its smoothness. I attracted a kingfisher, just went flying across the lake. So I'm going to see, there are a few branches around that they do perch on. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to see a kingfisher as well here today. But there are a lot of lapwings, a lot of ducks, variety of different geese as well. So let's just put this through its paces with what we've got today. And this is it now, just moving across nice and smoothly. You can see how smooth that is in the horizontal plane. And this is it now, just moving through that vertical plane. And also now, I've unlocked both, so you can see how freely it can track and be used and how smoothly it tracks the subject. No juddering at all in these images. And I'll share some pictures at the end as well. And this is it when it's completely stabilized. No movement at all, as you can see. And this is taken at fully extended to 500mm on the telephoto lens. So would I recommend this Benro gimbal? Absolutely, 100%. This is going to take my wildlife photography and my videography to the next level, whether that be birds or on safari. It's going to enable me to capture much sharper images through the stability that it offers over and above that from using my camera handheld. And it provides a smoothness to the flow of the videos that, again, I just can't do when I'm doing handheld. And as for the advantages of this over a ball head, they're absolutely chalk and cheese. This is far superior for wildlife, maybe even sports photography that you may be doing. Absolutely far superior than a ball head could ever be. In a nutshell, the flexibility, the fluidity, and the stability that it offers you are second to none when it comes to wildlife photography. Maybe you want to do any kind of action photography from sports, etc. So please do check it out if you're serious about your photography and videography. I'm not sure that there's going to be anything better on the market than this for the serious enthusiasts amongst you, and even the pros. I have put a link in the description below to purchase the product if this is something that you're interested in. It is an affiliate link. You won't pay any more, but it will provide massive support for the channel going forwards. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out these videos next. Thank you very much for your time in watching this video, and until next time, thank you and see you soon.